Today we are making a delicious, light, creamy mushroom pasta. Let's get started, you're gonna love it. So first we're gonna start with a little bit of garlic infused oil. You don't need to use garlic infused, but I just think it gives a little bit of extra flavor. Then I'm gonna add some onion and garlic straight into the pan. Cook that off for about a couple of minutes. And while that's cooking, we're gonna add some spaghetti straight into the water. So now that's lightly brown, we're gonna throw in a big bunch of mushrooms. So you can use all the same white button ones, or you can use a mixture of any that you like. So we're gonna add a little bit of heavy cream in here, and then the remainder we're gonna add some chicken or vegetable stock depending on what you like. So we're gonna go in with a big bit of salt and pepper, and then we're gonna top with some fresh basil and let that cook for about 10 minutes. Alrighty, so we've got some cooked pasta, yum, straight into the pan. All of that. You can use whatever spaghetti you like as well. You can use linguine or spiral. And you're gonna mix that through, let it thicken for a couple of minutes, soak up all that flavor, and then you're ready to plate. All right, all done. We've let it sit there and soak up for a bit. So we're gonna now plate it into a bowl. All right, top with a little bit of Parmesan, and then you are good to go. So how good is that? It's a really light, silky, delicious, easy dinner. You guys are gonna love this one. So grab the recipe and let me know how you go.